How do I customize the confirmation and welcome messages in LISTSERV Maestro? Whenever you create new subscriber lists or list groups, LISTSERV Maestro automatically generates subscriber website pages where people can subscribe, unsubscribe, and manage their subscription profiles. The system also generates automatic confirmation messages that are sent out to new subscribers. These confirmation messages can be fully customized. To do this, click on Subscriber Warehouse in the main menu and locate the subscriber list or list group that you would like to customize. Then right-click on the name of the group or list and select Manage Public Subscriber Website. You will now see a grid containing all of the automatically generated public website pages for various subscriber tasks. To view the confirmation messages, scroll down to the bottom of the page to the section called Notification Email Layouts. This section shows the 4 automatic confirmation messages used by the system: the password change confirmation email, the subscription confirmation email, the address change confirmation email, and the profile change confirmation email. There is also an option to define a welcome email that is sent out to all new subscribers. To customize the look of these confirmation messages, scroll back up to the very first section called Master Layouts and click on the screenshot titled Master Email. This will show the overall design of the confirmation messages. You can use the built-in editor to make basic changes to the layout. For example, you can use the color section on the right side of the screen to modify the color scheme of the messages. You can also add logos or other images directly in the editor. There is also an option to make changes to the underlying HTML code directly. In many cases, when organizations launch email lists or newsletters, they will already have a website and design that they can use for their confirmation messages. To do this, click on Code in the editor. Then simply copy and paste your HTML code into the window. Note that since this master email is simply a template, you don't need to enter any actual text content here. Instead, use the Maestro body placeholder to indicate where the text content should be inserted. There's also an optional placeholder named Maestro List or Group Name that you can use, which will be replaced with the name of the list that the person is subscribing to. Place the cursor on the spot where you want these placeholders and click on the name of the placeholder in the list on the right to insert them. Since we're copying and pasting an HTML template in its entirety, click the OK button to switch the system to expert mode. You will now see some sample content to indicate what the new template looks like. To style the text itself, add CSS snippets to your template to define H2 for titles, P for the text, and A for the links. Make sure to save the draft when you are done. Now, if you want to change the content of the actual confirmation messages, scroll back down to the Notification Email Layout section and click on the confirmation message that you want to modify. Here you can change the text of the messages to fit your exact needs. If you want to send a separate welcome message to new subscribers, click on New List Subscriber Welcome Email. This welcome message is disabled by default, but if you want to enable it, enter the desired content in the window. A well thought out and friendly welcome message can be very useful to initiate a good relationship with your new subscribers by setting expectations about the nature and expected frequency of future messages from the list. It's also a good idea to include ways for new subscribers to get in touch with you if needed. When you are finished modifying your confirmation and welcome messages, click the template icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see a summary of all of the templates that you have customized. Click the Deploy Website Layout button to activate your new confirmation and welcome messages. Thank you for watching.